Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Let's start with the computer class. In this video, we are going to study lesson number 3, Start up and shut down the computer. In this lesson, we will learn how to turn on and shut down a computer. We will also learn how to take care of our computers. We see computers all around us in our daily lives. Before you learn to do various types of work on a computer, you should know how to start it and how to close it. And we should be careful while using a computer. Do you want to know how to switch on a computer? It is important to switch on and switch off a computer by following the right steps. A computer is a machine just like a television or a fridge and runs on electricity. We can switch on and switch off the television and fridge. Can we do the same with the computer? Yes, it is known as starting and shutting down a computer. Do you know the process of starting a computer is called booting? Now we will learn how to starting up a computer. You must follow a few easy steps to turn on the computer. First, you have to remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. First step is switch on the power. You have to switch on the main socket button on the switchboard. Second step is switch on the UPS and system unit. You have to switch on the UPS button if computer is connected to the UPS. We have to press UPS button because all the wires connecting with UPS. If we will not press button of UPS, computer will not start if it is connected with UPS. Then switch on system unit or the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the main device of a computer where all the operations are performed. Next step is switch on the monitor. When we switch on the monitor button, a green light is glowing. Next step is wait for the desktop to appear on the screen. Waiting till the computer loads Windows operating system in the memory. Do not press any keyboard key or mouse button until you get the Windows desktop on the monitor. Whenever you start a computer, the first screen which we see that is known as desktop, and the small label picture which are present on the desktop are known as icons, and one is mouse pointer, and at the down we are seeing on the desktop that is taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar present on the bottom of the desktop screen. The start button is present on the taskbar. All the activities that we have started can be seen on the taskbar. The mouse pointer looks like an hourglass when the computer is busy. It means it will need some time to start up. The mouse pointer changes to an arrow pointer when the computer is ready to use. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer? Yes, now I can always turn on the computer. Now we will learn about UPS. UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. It has a battery inside it which stores electrical power. It is used to keep computers on for a few minutes when there is a sudden power cut. This way, we can save the work we have done on the computer. Now, we will learn how to shut down the computer. What should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch? No, we should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off the computer. Step first, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the computer. A panel will appear on the screen. Click on the Start button. I already told you that where we have it is present on the taskbar. When we click on Start button, you will see the Start menu is open. Second step is click on the Shutdown option in the panel. In the Start menu, you see that Shutdown option. Click on Shutdown option. Third step. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Wait for the screen to turn black. When you click the shutdown option, your computer showing this screen that is shutting down after this. A message showing that your computer shutting down will appear. When computer screen turn black, it means computer is turning off. Next step, switch off the monitor and UPS. The CPU gets automatically turned off after the shutdown option is clicked. Next step is switch off the main power socket switch. Do you know the distance between your eyes and the screen should be more than 40 centimeter. Now, I hope you know how to switch on and switch off the computer. Hard words of this lesson. Shut down. Shut down. To shut down a computer is to turn it off. Next lecture, we will learn about do's and don'ts of computers. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.